Start. Mr. Vice Chairman, sir, at the very outset, I cannot help pointing out that wheat procurement and distribution policy of the government of India has been marked by a stop go attitude both in respect of governmental as well as private trade effort. Full stop. Almost overnight, a decision was taken at the AICC session held in Bombay that government should take over the procurement and distribution of wheat through state agencies. Full stop. I am aware that even earlier the party in power was wedded to this ideology. Full stop. My point is that the decision was arrived at without adequate homework. Full stop. It is one thing to formulate resolution and another to implement them. Stop. A political party can easily indulge in the pastime of drawing up resolution than for any government to implement the resolution into effective action. Stop. Our Prime Minister took a hard decision to modify this policy so that the government could procure enough wheat for distribution and take care that the vulnerable section of the people are served fully through procurement efforts on the part of the state agencies and the private traders. Post of change. However, anyone following the development readily knew that quite a few state governments either did not understand the intent behind the new policy or were unwilling to make it a success for reason of their own. Full stop. In fact, that the policy was implemented Punjab and Haryana. Full stop. The the home state of the Prime Minister has hardly helped the distribution system to stop change. While saying this, I should like to add that the traders overpitch the claim to procure wheat. Stop. I can understand governmental machinery making wrong estimates about the wheat crop and the procurement policy, but it is extraordinary that the traders should have made such a grievous error. Stop. Possibly the traders thought it political to exaggerate their capacity so that it might be accepted to the authorities on the one hand and also persuade the farmer apart with their stocks on the other. Once a psychology of plenty was created, full stop. The farmer in India is no less a businessman than a trader. Stop. He assessed the situation and set on the stocks for larger gains. Full stop.